Alrighty guys, here we go. Now the cap light installation going down. On this big boy here. It's kind of balled up there with nothing on. We're gonna go ahead and change that. Let's go ahead and get these puppies on. All right, so let's go ahead and open up these recon lights here. See what you get. I usually sell the original ones from GM, but this particular set here, these guys have different options color-wise. I mean, the lights look really similar to the original ones. So these are the white LED light. So it should look really good. Right now we're gonna get ready to tear down the roof there. You're gonna need a 10mm. You're gonna need this puppy here, and this guy here. Let's get started. All right, guys, so we got everything down. These are all the tools you're gonna need for the job. To get this job done. Get a file, hole puncher, 10mm, popper, pick, Torx, flathead, 10mm and light, and a nice gun. Impact. These are the lights. This is everything that needs to be removed on this particular model. Gotta remove all this stuff to get to the inside here. This side's a little bit difficult because it's got a adhesive to where they stick this wiring on. You can peel it back a little bit and now you have full access of where you need to be. All right, so I already got all my measurements. I've done this more than once. I have all my templates here written down, everything that I need for this truck. Let's go ahead and knock it out. All right, guys, so here we are. We got our holes drilled out on this side and the center. We still gotta work on that one. Pretty nice hole there. Along with these here. Just gotta go ahead and primer them to prevent from any rusting, from getting any rust, excuse me. So we're just gotta primer it, and we're gonna go ahead and screw them down, add some silicone, wire them up, get it on the road. Alrighty, guys. So the hard part on the truck which is drilling, is done. We got our holes all done. Now we're just gonna go ahead and we primered everything up pretty good to prevent it from rusting. Alrighty guys, finished up the cab lights installation. Looks really nice. Nice and clean, flush. This Recon setup is pretty nice. They turn on with the original parking lights, so everything is wired in direct. I mean, I do have to tap into some wiring. If you get the OEM ones, we don't have to do any of the extra wiring. It's just a plug and play. But there it is. Let us know if we can help you guys out here at D's Garage. Alrighty guys, so we just finished installing the Recon cab lights on the 2023 GMC. I believe it's a 23/24 cab lights installation. These are the all white with the black housing, white LED. So you can see now, it makes the truck look complete. This is a beautiful truck that we got right here, guys. This thing's got tons of work. Let me show you the suspension and the wheels. Oof. The paint job looks also really nice on this truck. I believe it is a 7-inch lift. It's got air right on the back. Oh yeah. Really nice GMC here. We just finished it up. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Let's see how those lights look. I wish it was nice so we can fire everything up together and see how it looks, but maybe later on I get a better shot of this here. It's got the switchback mirrors as well with the white. You can kind of see the light now. Very minimal, but I'll climb up on top here. Looks good. Ready for the road. This is my, I'll say probably like my 20th set I've installed on the 1500, 2500. I believe the 3500 comes equipped with the cab lights, so There it is. His garage.